Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody, and congratulations. You have survived. You have made it, for now, at least. For now, you have made it. You survived the great crypto crash of 2025. That's it. That's it. Up only. Never are we ever going to dip again. Well, we will. We will dip again at some point. But I've got some good news to share with you guys. Jose Estrada saying, you still sick, Kip? Thanks for noticing. I was sick all weekend. I am feeling better today. I do have a box of Kleenex here. It was a rough weekend, guys. Let me tell you, I had the day off, or the weekend off from being a dad. We had Grandma and Grandpa step in, be a hero. Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa. And so Mom and Dad got to recover. Me and Mrs. Crypto Kip just in bed, just sick all weekend. But we're better now. And you know what? On top of it, we had a crazy crash. The crazy crash, the great crypto crash of 2025. And we've made it. We've made it out, guys. Look, I've got a lot on my mind. And put your hand up if it was scary / frustrating for you yesterday, right? Hand up if, you know, the volatility, even if you think you're used to it, surprises you every time. You know, look, these markets are shocking. They always are. But what bothered me yesterday mostly, and not the fact that the market was dumping necessarily, right? That's not good. That's not good. But what really bothered me yesterday mostly was the fact that so many people that discuss crypto every day, so many crypto YouTubers and Twitter posters and everybody was coming out and crying and screaming that this time is different, and that, you know, it's people were calling for top in my comment section, guys. Wow, people are on fire right now. Their altcoins are bleeding. They were bleeding, getting a little recovery today. People were saying this time is different. And that is the thing that bothered me the most out of all the events that have occurred, from the Trump meme coin launch to the Trump presidency that's supposed to be good for crypto, but now there's tariffs and we're crashing, to the fact that the portfolio went down bigly over the weekend. The thing that bothered me most was that you have the flip-flopping, flippery didgeridooers out there just like coming out and being like, yeah, the bull market could be over. No. This time it's different thing. It's life draining to me. When people start saying that, it's like, why are you going to say that? What, like, okay, you go ahead and you believe that. You go ahead and you believe that this time is different, because what happens to the people that every single time, you know, come out and say this time is different? And that's whether you think it's going to keep going up forever, or whether you think that the bull market is over. Whether you're this time it's different person to the bullish side, or that this time it's different person to the bearish side. That's a bad position to be in. And I don't know why people continuously put themselves in that. Every bull market, some of the people that I love watching, myself personally, do this. I did not, because here I am in the position to have a content creation platform, to be able to say a message to some people. And if you were listening to my videos, my message was, this time it's not different. It's exactly the same. This happens. These things always happen. If you don't think they do, well, then welcome to the crypto market. These volatilities occur. There was more downside possible. There was recovery possible yesterday, and we got it today because we have some new news that I want to share with you guys. Everybody that was panic selling their altcoins yesterday into Bitcoin just got wrecked overnight. Everybody that was panic selling their altcoins into cash at the bottom of those candles last night got wrecked today. And you might have already panic bought back in if you're one of those people. And if you're not one of those, if you are one of those people and you haven't bought back in, you're probably struggling trying to figure out when I'm going to buy back in, and you're probably hoping for it to go lower. Well, what if it doesn't? This time it's different people are the most dangerous people in the crypto space. The secret to the this time it's different thing, as I laid out on my video yesterday, was it's always different, but it's generally the same. Each bull market, let me share my screen. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I hope you survived liquidations yesterday. I hope you survived the futtery doos yesterday, because there was certainly enough of it in the market. The fact that everybody continues, I don't see people talking about it and repeat like I am. I love this take. I think it's the thing that's going to get me through this bull market. It's the fact that from the bottoms to the tops, a bull market lasts about 1,050 to 1,075 days. Here's your last bull market. Let me go to the Bitcoin chart. It's a little easier to see on the Bitcoin chart. But from the bottom to the top, a bull market lasts about 1,070 days. Let's try to get it exact here. Oh, let's see. Boom. 1,064 days from January 15 to December of 2017. Let's go from the lows of the 2018 lows. I have to do this, even if you've seen this before. This is a useful exercise that you need to be reminded of, just as I do. 1,065 days. Wow. So they're within a day of each other. Do you see what I'm saying? These are the last two bull markets. People are then coming out now recently and wondering if the top is in and if that's the end of the bull market. From the bottom to where we're at today, we've been in this bull market for 805 days. What does that mean? That means we need to go out to 1,000 and let's say 1,064 days. That brings us to a date. Let me get rid of the banner and bottom of the screen here, guys. Look at the bottom of the okay. Look at the bottom of the screen here, guys. Ears are popped. That's October of 2025. I'm not going to budge from the idea that we're going to at least 1,000 days of bull market. This time it's different. It's always different, but this specifically right here on the screen that you're looking at, this has never been different, even if this is different. I talked about this in my altcoin video yesterday. I mean, I think people have been enjoying the content I've been putting out where I'm just talking about the attitude in the crypto space. Those videos are getting a lot of views, a lot of YouTube recommendations, which is very neat that I can kind of talk about broader market sentiment and people are actually willing to listen these days. That must mean we're doing something right. That's exciting. I'm happy to see that. I'm extremely happy to see that. If you want to stay posted with our content, you should turn on your notification bell. I got 5 videos coming every day between me and Black Sea. We are just cranking out content for you guys. Every time is different to a point, but generally it's all the same. 2016, 17, 18 bull market, it was kind of just a blow off top. The 2020, 2022 bull market, there was this horrible dip in the middle and a fake out, and then it was over. What are we going to have this time? Well, we just had an extended sideways move for Bitcoin from April of 2024 all the way to December. That was weird. And this slip that we just had was pretty crazy because of the Trump tariff fears. Every time is a little bit different, but generally the cycle is the same. People that are saying altcoin season is canceled simply aren't paying attention. I want to show you one more thing, guys, as I'm gearing up to get into some of the news for folks today. Welcome back, by the way, to the Crypto Report. 69 folks watching on YouTube this morning, 119 you guys on X. Go ahead and give us a repost and tap the like button. We've been looking at a key trend line and we shattered through it for Bitcoin dominance. Oh, altcoins are getting wrecked. Yes, yes, yes. I want you to see, though, this daily candle wick right here. See this daily candle wick? If this daily candle wick in 6 hours and 41 minutes stays a giant wick like this, look and see what happened last time we got wicks. Wick. Let me just do this. Wick, dump. Get it? Let's look at this. Wick, dump. Okay, let's go back. Keep looking. Let's look for some wicks. Oh, look at that giant wick. Dump for an extended period of time. Oh, look, a wick. Dump. Wick, dump. Pump. Wick, dump. So, what am I telling you right here? Wick, dump. Wick, dump. What does that mean? Altcoins are about to bounce. Big time. Altcoins are bouncing right now. Altcoins could be about to bounce big time. This could be the move. This could be the move. I've never seen more in a long time. I have not seen people get more bearish in the middle of a bull market. That makes me insanely bullish. People are so bearish that I'm bullish, guys. These markets are so bearish right now that I can't help but be so bullish. I love it. I hate that bearish thing. I hate that people are panicking. I hate that people are just have these jittery tendencies to panic sell and panic, say that this time is everything's different. And I hate those tendencies. But man, what I do love is when there's an obvious temperature in the room. It is too fearful. It is so fearful. It is extremely fearful. It's not been more fearful. What an incredible buying opportunity it presented. And the opposite. When things are so greedy, when everything's pumping, when everybody's like, it just went up 10x, it's going to go up 10x more tomorrow. That's when you take your profits, guys. You don't panic sell yesterday. You take profits in December or in March of 2024. You do not wait all this time to panic sell yesterday. And I hope you didn't. I really, really hope you didn't. So, a couple things to get through today. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, everybody. Hope you're doing all right out there. Shout out to the chat. Quite the intro. Quite the intro for you. What do we got going on in the chat? John 3:16 saying, preach, Kip, preach. I tried. KS Allen says, yo, sell everything. You'll see next and all soon. It could happen. I'm not telling you that it won't. But I'm telling you that I'll believe it when I see it. I am bullish. Period. Today, why are we recovering? We are recovering because of this. Oh, wait, not that. That's this. U.S. delays tariffs on Mexico. That is breaking news today. Mexico has pledged they are going to send 10,000 of their troops, their beautiful troops. Aren't those troops just beautiful down in Mexico? They've got the most beautiful troops, not as beautiful as American troops, but they're still beauties, aren't they? The beautiful troops from Mexico, 10,000. I got the president to fall on his knees and go, oh, please, Mr. President, please, Mr. President, we'll send you the troops. We'll send you the troops. Don't give me the tariffs, Mr. President, exactly as I predicted, exactly as I planned. My tariffs, my big, beautiful tariffs, and a big, beautiful batch of troops right across, right to the border to do the job, and a job they're going to do. And we're pumping because of that. Ah! It's hilarious. It's unbelievable. Wow. So it's working, I guess. The tariffs are working. Now he's going to delay the tariff. Let's see if the tariffs are actually going to be in existence. Now they're going to negotiate trade deals. Now we got troops protecting the border from the other side. I just, you know, did you like that, Crypto Keeper? Yeah, you buy the dip of the dippity dippity dip, and then you do that dip, the dippity dippity dip. You know, you buy the dip. His new tariffs caused $2 billion in liquidations. It's so crazy that, you know, he's the pro crypto president. He's gonna pump our bags. Tariffs. Ah! Everybody panic. Everybody skip tariffs. Ah! What's a tariff? Does anybody know what a tariff? Oh, that's what a tariff is. Ah! That's what the markets did. The tariffs caused $2 billion in liquidations. Let's look at the heat map chart deal. Over 2 days, look at this: 1.29 billion on the 2nd and 900 on the 1st. So there you go. February, what a great start to February. Beautiful, beautiful. 2.2 billion on the long side and like 500 million on the short side liquidated. Mrs. Crypto Kip says, believe it or not, this is all without coffee. This is all without coffee. Can you believe that, guys? Can you believe that? Mrs. Crypto Kip revealing the truth for the day in the chat. I did not have coffee, but I was sick all weekend. I was cooped up. I was in bed. I've got pent up energy, Mrs. Crypto Kip. Gosh. I like it when my wife watches the stream. Then I try to make her laugh. I don't know if it works. I'm like 1 for 10 on my jokes to Mrs. Crypto Kip. 9 out of 10 of them are too rude. I'm a little rude sometimes. But not to you guys. We had a lot of liquidations over the last 2 days, and it's all because of this Trump crypto. And now we're reversing because bull market's back on. He delayed the tariffs to Mexico, not to China, not to Canada. But hey, at least the Mexico ones are good. So let's pump again. This was a manipulation, guys, at its finest. Okay, this is manipulation at its finest. These markets are manipulated. I've seen some stories coming out that Binance has been very, very manipulative of the market. I'm not very surprised. Fulana in the chat is tariffs are put on pause for a month in Mexico. I know. It's what we're talking about, Fulano. Come on, man. Keep up with the program. It's all right. A lot of people bought the dip yesterday. Very, very good. No coffee, but the cough medicine is lethal. No cough medicine. I should have taken. I didn't even take my vitamins the last 2 days. It's funny. I've been taking vitamins all month, and then I got sick. And I was sick a month ago. I thought I was not supposed to get sick because I took vitamins. But we're coming back up today, guys, because of this beautiful, beautiful maneuver by the U.S. and Mexico. Now we got 10,000 troops at the border. And now we're going to have negotiations exactly as Donald Trump wanted. This was the goal, I think, of the tariffs, to get what he wants. And he doesn't. I don't think he really wants tariffs. I think he wants to pull some strings, pull some levers, and get some favorable deals. And so he's using tariff strategies. And then they folded, and then Mexico folded. Let's see what Canada does. Are they going to become a part of the U.S.? That one's still funny to me. I don't know. I literally have no idea if that's serious or not. But please, sir, it hurts. The winning, it hurts. Too much winning. Too much winning. Can't handle all the winning. It's crazy. Another reason the crypto markets could be coming up today is President Trump's crypto czar, David Sachs, to hold a press conference tomorrow to discuss securing America as a leader in the digital asset economy. So that's cool. That's tomorrow. 51st date. Coming in hot. But no, they're going to address crypto tomorrow. So we're going to have a little press conference, and we're going to talk about all crypto tomorrow. Could be pumping. This is our February pump. Oh, Trump's so bad for crypto. Hold your horses, guys. Everybody's freaking out. Maybe we should have had Biden as our president because Trump crashed crypto. Yeah. Volatility, guys. Buy the rumors, sell the news on his presidency. The meme coin. Yeah. People are blaming the meme coin. Get out of here. No. Wait, I was talking to Black C about this, and I understand that people want to accuse his meme coin of crashing the market. But that's so stupid. That's so stupid to me because, you know, we don't know what the world would have looked like if the meme coin didn't launch. And there's a very good chance that when these tariffs came along, we would have crashed anyway. Just the same, all the same. And people don't know. People like to find something to blame. They do this thing, this blame game. Everybody does this silly blame game thing. And then they're so busy doing the blame game thing that they like fall for the other lie that is like, oh, bull market's over, by the way, too. Get your head out of the gutter, guys, and get your head, put your head in the cloud. I don't know, whatever. Just stop listening to all the people. Just stop listening to people, okay? Stop listening to people. Just look at the data. Just look at the data and look at the general. Do this. You do this. You take a. I can't pull that up. You take a piece of paper, okay, and you do a pros and a cons list, okay. Just do a pros and a cons list of the good things happening for crypto and the bad things happening for crypto. And then after you do that list, you tell me, are we in a bear market? Are we about to be in a huge bull market? The answer's obvious. You know the answer. Anybody who was questioning it yesterday, I feel bad for you. If you were questioning it yesterday, I feel bad for you. And I just these games before. Now, there are people that got wrecked yesterday on liquidations. You got to be careful when you're leverage trading, guys. There are people that made a ton of money yesterday shorting the market. There are people that made a ton of money today longing this market. If you want to make the trades, you can sign up for Blowfin up to a $5,000 deposit bonus. You sign up using our link. Be careful. Use low leverage. Set your stop losses. If you're good, use as much leverage as you want and make some money, guys. We got a lot of bull market left. Don't lose your spot portfolio. But we got a lot of bull market left. But it's funny that people are actually blaming this meme. And look, this meme is way down from its highs. No doubt about it. There's retail that certainly bought in and it just experienced a 75% crash. I get it. I get it. But that's why you don't go all in on meme coins, guys. You got to be in the blue chips as well. You got to have some Bitcoin. You got to have, what do we got? We got a little smiling potato. Hi. Hi. The green tea. Hold on, folks. Where? Hi. Hi. My daughter is so cute. And my wife with a wink.
Probably not too much now.
Oh, wow. Okay. All right, I'm muted. I had a private conversation real quick. We're back. My heart says bull. But my head says Bobo. I don't know. Wait, what? What is that? I don't know what that means, man. Scott says, is Yee Kanye West coin? Is it a scam? Probably a scam. Probably not Kanye's coin. I think it's just because he came out and, you saw the thing with his, it's so stupid. What he's doing with his wife, it's weird. See you, Mr. Beef. All love, brother. Anyway, we are going to keep an eye on this meme. I think this meme could go up again. A lot of people are complaining about it. Exclusive. Trump's meme coin nearly made 100 million in trading fees as small traders lost money. Small traders always lose money in meme coins, but it's his coin, so we're gonna get more headlines about it, of course. Naturally, let's see if it comes back. Let's see if it doesn't. Who knows? How you doing, Papa? Ayush in the chat. What's going on? What's my perspective on the AI 16Z coin? Risky meme. Give me a bull market, and it should be fine. I don't like Book of Meme, Daniel. It's just not a cool meme. It's a weird meme. Okay. So, got through some of those stories. Sorry, guys. My ears are popping. I'm still a little sick. I'm getting better. Tomorrow, I should be back in action, going to the gym, hopefully. I've been going to the gym lately. By lately, I mean, I went once last week, and then I got sick. That was super awesome. Altcoin season, not here yet. Still waiting on it. Still waiting on altcoin season, guys. Ripple XRP omitted from Hong Kong regulators' approved list of cryptos. Again, back to the pros and cons list, guys. There is a lot of really great things happening for crypto, and then there's people that are just panicking for no reason. There's so many pros. The world is paying attention to crypto. India is thinking about going more pro-crypto. They've historically been kind of anti-crypto. Hong Kong is got a approved list of cryptos now. They're omitting XRP for some reason. So good for XRP, but still good for crypto overall. I don't really care about XRP. I think that it's a coin that people, we could talk about. We will talk about it. It's relevant. It's a big coin. It's got the lawsuit, but it's definitely not one of my top plays personally. And then I want to remind you guys of this. Altcoin Daily sharing this chart, but it's a good chart. I just want to show you the chart. We crash a lot on the way up, guys. Historically, we've hit it many times. So how far did we come from? I don't think it's even lower than we were. No, so we still didn't even have a 30% crash. Yeah, it's crazy. We didn't even have a 30% crash. Like, we've had 30% crashes on the way up for Bitcoin, and we still haven't even had. That was 16%. That's half of what we've seen in the past. BSS bought stacks at 98 cents. Wow, what a buy. Jim says, why did Ripple make that stable coin? Not a good look. I don't know. I don't really care about Ripple. What I do care about is Bitcoin dominance. And Bitcoin dominance had this nice wick. Hopefully we break lower, and hopefully this means we're about to have some kind of big run for altcoins, and Bitcoin dominance is going to crash forever. Not forever, but for now, we need an altcoin season. We want an altcoin season. Let's look at some charts, guys, and see how everything's holding up today. Look at that. Shib breaking through the trend line, but really holding the floor on the daily candle close up here. Very, very interesting, guys. Very, very interesting price activity for Shiba Inu there. Here's Pepe bouncing off my trend line. Boom. Shakalaka, baby. Can you believe it? Do you see this? Do you see this? Do you see this? Do you see this chart? Do you see this chart? I did not draw this morning. This line has been here. Go back to my Pepe videos. I've had this Pepe video here for days. As it was breaking down here, I wanted to give you guys a target. It was where it can go. I cannot believe how perfect this trend line really was. A beautiful bounce. Did you buy this Pepe dip? Did you get in on this dip? What an insane buying opportunity that was. What an insane level for that to actually hit. Clearly a level of support that we have tapped on many times before. Wow. Wow, wow, wee whoa. Wow. How about that? How about that trend line right there? Dogecoin breaking out of the wedge, having some problems. Bono. This is the problem with Doge, actually. It broke out from the Bitcoin dominance trend line. This is not what I wanted to see it. It broke below its range with a daily candle. Daily candle broke below, which we have not seen historically for Dogecoin. A little bit, but I still think it's oversold. I still believe it's going to come back above this trend line. But I'm going to do an emergency Doge video later today because we got to talk about this a little bit more. So I'm going to circle back to that one. Let's look at CRO today. Oh, by the way, I also told you guys this in my Shiba Inu video. This thing could come all the way down here. This is going to be your floor. We've hit the floor. And now we've got the exact trend line on it. There it is. There's the exact trend line. Now it's perfect. That's what it is. So, Shiba Inu versus Bitcoin has bounced here. I don't know if it's over. I don't know what it's going to be. But that is one daily candle wick to the bottom there. Shiba Inu is oversold versus Bitcoin, in my opinion, as is the altcoin market. This wick was crazy. I want to see it go the other way. We might see it go the other way here. We might not. We might not. Wow. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Then I called that for Pepe. That Pepe trend line was beautiful. That Pepe trend line was nice. Did you guys make money? Anybody make a trade? Here's Crow. Crow came all the way down to 7 cents. Told you guys that in my video yesterday as well. We could easily see it come down to 7 cents. It did. Did you buy the dip? Crow below 7 cents is over 20x on your money if it goes to $2. So people are saying $1 Crow is not possible now just because it's going down today. I don't believe that. I think that we still got a bull market coming and we still have tremendous opportunities. I think that there's going to be a beautiful altcoin season. I think it's going to be great. Matt Crafter's favorite machine at the gym has to be vending. Oh, man. Nice. Nice. Mine is the sauna, if you consider that a machine. I love the sauna. Sauna is a life-changing thing. Life changer. So, excuse me, guys. Thoughts on Crow? Look, Crow came down quite a bit here. Let's see what we've seen historically. We've seen these little crumble crashes. Well, we need a recovery. It could come low still. If Bitcoin starts rallying and Bitcoin dominance starts falling, I'd expect Crow to kind of mount over here and start stair-step laddering back up. And then the big move for Crow doesn't happen until the end of the bull market, which is approximately, September ish, October-ish. So be careful, be aware, my friends. But yes, we do have historic crashes that happen every single bull market, and so nothing should have changed for you guys. On this, panicky, jittery news today. What else do we have going on? If I could look at let's see, is there anything else happening? New news. Gold's reaching new all-time highs. That's it. That's it. That's a lot of the news for the day. Let me go ahead and sit down. I'm gonna pop a squat. So what do we need to take a look at today, guys? Let me know in the chat. Ooh, Matt, brother at CN is stealing your jokes. Matt, brother CN in the chat, stealing your jokes. Whoa. Whoa. And he's a moderator. So can he do that? Are you gonna let him do that? Bro. Let's look at what's the big gainers today. Fartcoin blasting off to the moon after a death spiral crash. Ondo's coming up big today. Pretty nice. Actually up over the last 7 days. Wow. A lot of recoveries today. Still waiting on a lot of altcoins to boom. People are scared because Bitcoin dominance has been railing. What's down today? Dog with Hat still down today. Got just obliterated. Everything got obliterated. Got stacks at 98 cents. How low did stacks go? How low did stacks go? Wow, it got down to 79 cents. That's unbelievable. Wow, absolutely torturous. Just absolutely torture. I know, Matt. I know. It's outlandish. How could he do this to you? Oh, man. Stacks really pooped the bed. That's a bummer. Yeah, we don't have altcoin season yet, guys. You're waiting on altcoin season, folks. But you always see it. It always comes eventually. It always comes eventually. We had a nice recovery on this tariff pause news, but getting a little red candles here. You see this? This kind of looks like this. So we might be on our way up. We might be on our way up here. John 316 says touch grass and chill. Absolutely. Andy Fink says we trust summer volume with the alts. Look, Andy, the reality of the situation, my friend, is this. Let's take a look, Andy. Let's put all our troubles behind us and take a look at the facts behind you and these supposed summer volumes that you accuse me of, says Bitcoin. It's a fact, Andy, that February is a beautiful, beautiful time historically for the cryptos, okay? Andy, in February's, only 3 of them have been red. You telling me this one's going to be red? I know, you're talking about the summers. Let's talk about the summers. In 2017, this is a bull market, Andy. In the bull market, Andy, forget about it, huh? Gabish, huh? Bull market, 2017, Andy. This one's for you. Look at it. How are these for summer volumes, Andy? If I had a mic, I'd drop it right now. Andy's scared. We trust summer volume with alts. Mic drop. 2017. Beautiful summer volumes. 2021. Hello. July and August. You can't get much more summer than that. So, forget about it, huh? Yeah, we had, okay. People think the summer's going to stink because we had a stinky May and June. Whatever, man. Forget about it. Just let it roll off the shoulders. Got you, Andy. I got you. What do you call Elon Musk when he's been to the gym a lot? Muscular? I like it. You must be a dad, brother CN. I know. I'm a dad too. You and me, we're one and the same. And I like dad jokes. Yeah, but people are like talking about the summer and how it couldn't possibly be bullish in the summer. It could be bullish in the summer. It could be bullish for the rest of the year until it's not. It could be bullish tomorrow, bearish the next day, and then bullish for 3 more days, and then bearish again. All I can tell you is that the bull market lasts 1,065 days, folks. And anybody else with these guessing games in the meantime, we can use TA. We can get some pretty good TA. Case in point, Pepe. I have one trend line on here, and we hit it. But one day, Bitcoin dominance is going to come crumbling back down, and our altcoins are going to go to the moon. Are you ready? Are you ready for it? I'm ready for it. Not a lot of news today. What you guys need to do is, if the last day or two is stressful for you, you need to touch some grass and chill. Just like John 3:16 said. You need to have a time with your family, with your friends. You need to go on a date with your girlfriend, your wife, whatever. You need to stop getting caught up in the timeline on X, and you need to stop getting hooked, not on phonics, but on the idea that this time is different. All we have is the past to help us understand what could possibly happen in the future. And at this point, we know a bull market has a lot of time left. And if we do a pros and cons column on a piece of paper, you will see that there are a lot more pros than cons, my friend. If you want to do some trading for yourself, sign up for Blowfin. If you want to do some dollar cost averaging, find a place to buy in and out of crypto. Crypto.com is an option. Sign up below. BSS has been dollar cost averaging into chill guy, but it's been brutal. It looks brutal. I love that meme. It has not been doing well. It's a bummer, man. A lot of the good memes have been doing well. Bitcoin dominance shot through the roof, and this was the straw that broke the camel's back. Maybe the Trump meme coin was the straw that broke the camel's back, but I would argue that the camel was getting tired anyway. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. The camel was getting tired, guys. But the camel has had spinal surgery, titanium plates added into the vertebrae, and now is ready to continue on with the bull market. Let's get Bitcoin dominance to crumble. I think that's a good metaphor to leave off on, guys. That's all I have in this one. Not a ton of news today. I got into it. Mexico tariffs postponed. Crypto's recovering. I hope you didn't panic sell. I hope you guys appreciate the approach I took to the last couple days with my content. I'm bullish. It's not going to change. See you in the next one, guys. DCA, HODL. Do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. I love you guys, though. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.